affordable country place to call home sweet home. 3 bedrooms/2 bath, well-maintained double wide, features a spacious great room leading to a deck. There is a split floor plan for privacy in the master area with updated ensuite bath.Beautiful laminate flooring in the master suite, great room and kitchen. Even a gas stove. All of the appliances will convey. Side entry backdoor. Neighbors are the best kind of neighbors from a new stoop. 2+ country acres to overlook with plenty of room for your garden this summer. Double carport for your vehicles or Kerr Lake Toys. You are just minutes from boat ramps to get out and explore 50,000 acres of water on Kerr Lake. Roof is about 5 years young too. Come and take a look at this move right in opportunity in Southside Virginia, convenient location off of a main road to be anywhere you need to be.